Ek wil net mooi kyk, want as dit 'n eieretertjie is, kan ek julle baie mooi.
It looks like an egg eater.
Yeah, common egg eater.
But just be careful.
Yeah, because there's night adders as well.
Yeah.
So he's not striking at me.
Doesn't look like a night adder. It could be the
common egg eater.
yeah.
So please never touch a snake like this. I've got about 2 qualifications. That's the reason why I'm taking them like on a tail.
Hoe weet jy wat 'n popvader is of nie?
Die strepe. So met jou
Hey.
kom, rustig Jomitjie. So met jou nagadder, daai vee op die koppie agter is baie dunner en ook sy strepe af op sy rug is gekonnekteer. Met jou common egg eater, hy is so geseparate, soos hierdie enetjie.
So wat sê jy sê?
Ek sê hierdie is 'n common egg eater.
Looks like a
Female.
female thin tail, yeah.
Sê weer? Non-venomous.
You still don't want to get bitten though.
Oh yeah. So if you common egg eater, what they usually like to do, I'm going to let them go now. What they like to do sometimes is when they coil up, they will like to rub those scales together. When they rub those scales together, it gives a shocking look. It's actually got an injury.
Yeah, I see that.
Shame this bird, huh?
It's just like